Oh, well. Seems my music went off. Oh, well, that would explain it. Oh, yeah. I didn't want my mic on today because I'm doing laundry and stuff, so that there's this background noise going on. I'm gonna have to fix OBS. I don't know if you can see this. I'm working with OBS, and I noticed that I don't have my music source in here. Shame on me. I'll have to fix that later. Actually, I'll fix it now. Yay! I have 3 people watching. All of them on YouTube. Hi, YouTube people! Gosh, that's annoying. Scene music. Okay. Do quick. There it goes again. There we go. Now we got music. That's awesome. Hi! My webcam on my laptop. Hi. So, what I'm working on here today is I'm actually working on an overlay. Let me see if I can show you an example. So, I'm going to grab somebody's YouTube old stream. Now, this is a YouTuber that I follow because she's another artist and animator. And you see up here in this section, and up here in this section, and then down here at the bottom, you have like all her social media stuff, but it's just a frame around the video itself. So, and there's another one. Same here, but this one's like a full frame because they have a list of commissions down the side. And since this was like a podcast sort of thing, they also had who was in it right down here in their avatars. So, but here they have like the status of what's going on, things like that. Hi, Angel. Yeah, usually my lives are at 7 a.m., but I figured I'd play catch up since my computer had been dead. Thankfully, I managed to get a new one. I didn't buy it outright. I don't have that kind of money to buy it outright, so I had to go to like a rent-to-own place. So I'm paying like every 2 weeks, like $79 or whatever it is, until it's, you know, paid off. Now obviously there's a high percentage on it, so the faster I pay it off, the less I'm paying out. So that's the process. Stream to make assets for streaming. How meta. Yes, exceptionally meta. And you know what? I'm going to pull, because I know you guys can see the chat box on the side, but it'd be easier. Hold on. Circle, shot, glass, that word. Facecam, computer, desktop. Where'd it go? There it is. Okay. So. Scene. Oh my god, it's right over my face. Hold on. That's no good. You know what? Actually, I kind of like how it's like right over top of my face. That's pretty cool! Not really. Oh, Angel, I'm so sorry. There. Now I put the chat over my face. I don't know. I'll have to fix that later. It's kind of funny. Oh, I'm so sorry, Angel. This is Photoshop. I don't know, you can't see the little PS up in the corner. It might be too small to see. So what I did is I took a Oh, one of my favorite snake people. Okay, so this here is a layer, and I cut out a very thin layer of that layer, like I made a mask, and cut out a very small thin edge. And anytime that I hold on. No, I don't want to select that, I want to move it. Oh man, come on, stop being a butthead. So, I can move it, and it's just a thin frame, and I'm trying to figure the composition of this. So what I'm doing is, oh, see ya, Commodore. So what I'm trying to do is get this to line up with the bottom of my text. So that way, when the OBS text is here, be like, working on the wrong color anyway. Goodness. Working on, you know, I could put whatever I need there, like working on stream elements, you know. But what would happen is this here would be in OBS. So instead of me having to put a different frame out all the time, I could just leave the space for it the way the one user did, and you just put the technical details up there. But I'm also trying to make sure I have enough space and that it's not too small. But I don't want it too big either. And these blue lines, those are the safe areas of the video. This used to be a lot more important back when TVs were like the weird square shape. But now most TVs are the elongated shape, like movie screens. So what I'm trying to do is make sure that I'm not... And I'm working off an old file, so I have a lot of junk in here I'm going to have to get rid of. So that may not need to be 70 or 48 points. So we get a view, we get 100%. Right? Yeah, you see, I can probably get it smaller. Because if I did that full screen, to the full screen of my browser, that's plenty small. 24? That's getting to be too small, maybe. So then these two layers can actually shrink. Interesting. That does look weird. I don't know that person. God, go hang it up. Do. I was going to leave that section empty, but would be interesting. See, it's still taking up too much of the top space. But I still want to keep in mind my spacing to keep enough empty space around my wording. No. Close.
Mom.
Yes.
Hey. Ice cream.
Oh gosh. Okay. Yeah. Hold on a minute. I'll be right back. I completely forgot to get our ice cream. Oh. Ugh. I'll be back. I am so sorry. I do remember.
And then I said, oh.
Oh, you got ice cream there too. Oh, where?
Over there. Sorry, no, but
I'm probably there.
no, it's right in that rock.
No!
Where's my sprinkles?
Hey.
Please, please.
No.
A little. Are we out? That's enough. Yeah, but you forgot something. That's enough.
why don't you put a movie on for your sister? Huh? Put a movie on for your sister, huh? Please put something on for your sister, huh? Alright, sorry about that. Oops. Parent duties. Parent duties. Anyway. So yeah. So the idea of breaking it up this way. Okay, guys. Lan, come here. Because I'm not going to yell and scream. I'm not entertaining nonsense. I want Lan to come here. I want Lan to come here. All of this is being put out live to international audience because I'm streaming. And y'all making a fool of yourselves.
I was complaining because I want to know what account I'm on. I don't want her whining.
She wants it to be on her account so she can find the movies and things that she wants to watch. Why is that so hard to deal with? Do you really want Barbie to be showing up in your suggested list?
No.
Okay, then just sign into her account. I should relabel my channel Art Geek Design and Parenting. Oh, anyway. Come on. Alright. Gotta love the kiddos. Yeah, really. Oh. See, I don't want to put too much on the screen. In use. That'll work. So I'm going to take these two layers. I'm going to copy them. I'm going to pull them up underneath. No. Pull those two up underneath in use so I know that they're linked together. And then I'm going to link these layers so that if I move the one, if I move just the one item, it does. If I move, Photoshop is being really goofy, like seriously. Anyway, so we're going to go to edit, transform, flip horizontal. Yep. And then we're going to move this. No. That doesn't want. Well, you know what? I will flip them horizontal. No, not free transform. Edit. Transform. Flip horizontal again. Eh. Not quite where it needs to be. So, in use. See, that particular design, while it's balanced on either side, just it's not working for me. I'd rather have them stacked. You know what? I think that's what I'll do. Let's see if I can do image. I can't do that there. Because they are, no, they are, yes, I know. These are smart objects. So if I'm going to change them, I'm going to do it here, and I'm going to go image, adjustment. Oh God, no, wrong color. Image, adjustment, hue saturation. I don't know if that's enough contrast. File, save. Oh, they both did it. Oh my God. Control Z. Okay, so that was epically stupid. The other thing I can do is just rasterize the layers. There. And I can do it this way. Image, adjustment, hue saturation. Oh jeez, no. We'll do that for this one. Transform. Wait, no. Image. Adjustment. I'm tired. Hue saturation. What's going on with that thing? No, it's not working. Do 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 do. Oh, there's still leftovers. Stop. That looks kind of cool. I like how that is. That works. It still takes up a large chunk of the video space. You know, it's not so bad.
Mom,
Yes.
here's my sister bills.
Put it back. Thank you for telling me, but put it back. No, 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 no. That's not the one I wanted. I want that one. There. So weird. Yes. Yes. Later.
After
mean-
dinner, after dinner.
No, we can.
This is dessert. This is dessert.
That's fine. Go put it on the kitchen table.
This is dessert.
That's fine. Go put it on the kitchen table.
Leon does not know that this is strawberry.
Okay, go put it on the kitchen table. She wants to make Jello. No, 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 not that. I'm really liking how that's looking. That's pretty cool. And then what I can do over here. There we go. That looks pretty cool. Did I change my Instagram? I think I did. Oh, geez, really? Figures. Of course it's not in here. one reason why hackers will have a hard time getting into my accounts is because I change my password so often and have to make them different all the time. I can never remember it, so it's pretty random. Well, now it's changed. Now, one of the keys to design that I learned a long time ago is you only want to use 2 fonts at the most. Pardon my yawn, my goodness. There's that one. See, when a design that I'm working on doesn't quite work, that's when I go back to the sample. I mute things. So link in the description. Okay. See, a long time ago I started with Drakenart Studios, and it was too long and too hard to spell, and so I decided to come up with a tagline for it that was easier to search for, Art Geek Design, and that became my thing. And it's just become its own thing. Excuse me. Except that some of my older items are, in fact, still oh, excuse my yawn. Oh my goodness. And hers are all black and white. I should probably do the same kind of thing. That would make sense. So since I don't feel like actually making something, free vectors, social media, because with my hard drive having failed.
Animation enthusiast.
Oh my god, don't do that. The page started playing. Vect easy. Now these are, as long as the appropriate attribution is shown, you can use these. Premium. I just want black and white. You know what? Icons free. Flat icon is another one that I go to. So, come on. Color filter. Monocolor. See if I can find a set that's sketchy. Hold on. Oh, that looks really cool. That looks really cool. Oh, it's a Behance gallery. That's totally awesome. I appreciate that project because that's pretty awesome. I'm going to follow this person because she seems pretty awesome. Holy cow, she's got a lot of people following her. This is beautiful work. And I would donate if I had money. No thanks. Now, this has both Mac files and not Mac files, so I'm going to copy this out. Go to my data drive, do a new folder, stock icons. Because even though I could draw every single one of them myself and do something unique to me, that will have to wait until later. Because I'm going to get this done. Wow, there's a lot of... Gee, it said 56, so... Ooh, I did stir it. Minimize this. SVGs or pings. Very nice. Nice. So, file, open. We go to data, stock icons. We'll grab this. Oh, no. We'll grab the ping. Look at that. That's so pretty. So, yeah. So that one. Oh, code pen. Deviant Art. Do I have my Deviant Art? No, I have my Tumblr down there. I really need to update my Deviant Art account. It's been way too long since I've been on Deviant Art. Do 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 do. Oh. Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, Instagram. So, Instagram. Oh. Oh, there's a Tumblr chain. Tumblr, Twitter, Twitch. Open. Look at them! They look so cute! All copy. We go here and we find our original one. We're just gonna paste it in place. Right here. All copy. Paste. And it doesn't matter that they're overlaid right now because that doesn't matter. We'll fix that later. Paste. Twitter, it was the last icon, so. Did that copy over? Yeah. Alright, yeah, Twitter. So then what we do is we're going to make each one of these a smart object. And what this does is it even if I shrink and enlarge it, it won't mess up. It won't get all pixelated and weird. Because it still retains its information based on the size that it is now. The downside is that, and it's raining here, the downside is that some of the things that I could normally do with like layers and color adjustments and things like that require extra steps. Oh. One too many. I think I'll make them a little bit bigger than where they are now. And we're gonna shut the eye off most. You know what? I don't. This can probably go away. Ah! I wasn't expecting it to do that. Okay. I can deal with that. So. No, don't do that. No, no, don't do that either. Grab it from thank you. No. Oh. There we go. We'll close the eyes off of all these, and this will be... Then I name them, so I know what the icons are. Tumblr. Because naming your layers is important. That's Instagram. Okay. No, 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 no. All of them. Thank you. Okay, so we want to do Instagram first. So what we do is we'll pull this one up. It's Cambria. I don't want Cambria. How about Comic Sans? No. odd Comic Sans. That italic is really hard to read. And then Twitter. So we'll put Twitter up here. We'll copy this. You know, rather than do that, why don't we do this? No. Come on, stop doing that. Oh, that's weird looking. I have to find a way to maybe that art design doesn't need to be there. That's an idea. We'll move Twitter and Instagram over, and then we have Twitch. Oh, no. Twitch. See what happens when I do a color overlay. Maybe that'll help. No, we'll do a gradient overlay. We'll do now I'm pinching my eyes shut like this, so it makes it harder for me to see, and what I'm looking for is to see if the contrast of that blue on the other blue is enough, and I can't quite make out the icon. There. I like that. There we go. Okay. So what that does is then I can save that and I can apply it to these other ones. Or I can do it the easy way. I can go to copy layer style and paste layer style. There you go. It's another way of doing it too. I think maybe an outline would do too. Make it pop off the page a little bit more. Copy. Paste. Paste. There we go. Gives it an edge. Makes it jump off the page a little bit more. Hello, I see there's 3 in the chat now, and they're all from YouTube. Hello, YouTube people. My mic is not all that good. I'm not in the soundproof room, and it's pouring right now. But then again, this is Florida, and it's the rainy season. I don't want to do Deviant Art just yet because my Deviant Art account name, I had a chance of changing the name and didn't. I probably should have a while ago because I did the 30-day trial and then the 30-day trial ran out. And I'm just not into paying for a Deviant Art account. The community that I started a Deviant Art account with is gone. So, I'm just not into it. Not into it. So, the Tumblr, I don't know if I can change my Tumblr name. The Behance is my name. I think for right now, ooh, I didn't grab the Patreon one, did I? No. Okay, so file open. We'll go back to that one. And file open, Kofi, IG. Oh, they don't have a Kofi icon. Oh, wow. So we'll fix this. We'll copy layer style. We will paste layer style. And we will make this one a wee bit on the bigger side. 36. So what I'm going to do with you, move you up in the corner. Where's my paint bucket? See, they have different workspaces. And now the paint bucket is under the gradient tool where it's supposed to be. I collected this select tool. Come on, stop being like that. No. No. Thank you. Really? No, that's not what I wanted. No, thank you. And what I did is I deleted the mask. Here, I deleted the mask, not the actual square. And that gives me the little square corner. Maybe to balance it, I should move it over. That's what I'm thinking. It's an interesting frame. let's try it out. We will save as. Yeah. We'll just save as file save. And then file export as a ping. Save. And we'll go pull up OBS. This is going to be fun. And you guys should see, once I get there, my other monitors over there. Okay, so then what's going to happen is I'm going to go here to Art Gaming. Actually, I'm just going to do a new scene called Stream Frame. Actually, if it has my Twitch account on it, then it's my YouTube Stream Frame. Although I might have to rethink putting the Twitch up there. I'm going to need to put YouTube up there. And then I add image. Okay, make it new frame. Frame 1. Browse data. I don't remember where I saved it. File, save as. Projects, elements, frames, cancel. Projects, elements, frames. And because I made it the proper size from the beginning, it fits. Right? So then I go up here. Right? And I go add scene. Stream frame. Okay. Now it should, when I hit transition, show up. Hey? Yeah? What do you think? Pretty cool, huh? And what I can do is to get the restream chat to be... Why is it overlaid on top of me? I got it in 2 places. Oh my god. Yes. Why is it in 2 places? There. Now, my face is not covered by the chat anymore. And notice that because all the scenes are set up separately, that I can move them individually inside the scene and it changes across all scenes. This may not be the most efficient way of doing this. So, and then I can do that. Yeah, see, it looks better. Okay. So. Now, I got my one transition graphic from Tuber Tools. I'll put a link down in the description at some point, or you can Google it. So, I'm going to transition real quick just to show you. Now watch. Is that cool or what? That is a really cool transition. I like that. I really like that. That's so cool. I'm feeling like more and more spiffy. So I have the transition here for when I go to my desktop. Right? Of course, that camera shows my god-awful dirty bed. I haven't made it today. Shame on me. It's got a bunch of clothes on it that I have to finish sorting, but look at that. That looks really cool. So then what I do is, in this art space one with the, is it the stream frame? Then what I can do is I add text, right? Working on, right? And I can do this. Now, you watch up in the corner. It's backwards to me. Anyway, up in the corner over there, okay? Now, we're going to do LMN Open Sans semi-bold. Regular. Do it 36. Okay. And then we're gonna type working on stream elements and overlays. You make it go vertical. That's awesome. Make the opacity nice and opaque if you wanted to. Give it a gradient if you wanted to. Background opacity. And then here's where it gets really cool. Outline? No. Okay, right. And then I gotta find where that is. There it is. And when I transition, it shows up. Oh, it's off kilter just a little bit. It likes snapping too. And I don't have my glasses on, so it's hard for me to judge. There we go. Is that cool? And then, I think you can do... there's another way of doing it too. Where is it? I thought I could do it here. You can make the, At one point you could actually make it, I'm gonna have to look again. Something's changed here, like at one, in one of these, you can make it to where it scrolls, which is a pretty cool thing to do. Vertical gradient, outline, chat log. Run it left, top. Yeah, don't know. Weird. And then I can do another one. What is it? Image slideshow? Yeah. Custom cards is live. Woo! So we'll get rid of that one. What we do is we can duplicate this. Oh, we used to be able to. I wonder what happened. We'll just do a new one. In use. Actually, I can't really use... Why? Hold on, Josh. I know you're calling me. Ta-da! And that way I don't have to constantly update the image over and over again and changing it randomly for different things and have the wrong stuff up there. I can just do it straight in OBS. Aren't I amazing? I'm gonna call my cousin back. Hi, I'm streaming. You're live.
Hi.
You're not on speakerphone though. You should hit my stream. Yes. And I never got to. Yeah, oh well. Darn you for driving. You're right. Really? Oh, I didn't know that. I know different states have different rules for cell phone use. Do you have the kids with you? Yeah, I could see them. I could see them getting you on charges of child endangerment too. So yes. Oh. Yeah, to get an idea of what the Alright. Oh my god, that would be awesome. That would be so awesome. Oh, what's going on? Oh, you're distracted. Okay, I can't seem to find that book now. Oh, is it in my backpack? Did I put it in my backpack? I really forgot. Yeah. Hold on. That's not it. That's my animation book. That's not it. That's my Fantasy Genesis role-playing thing. That's not it. Those are my yearbooks. That's not it. Where the tartan, flip-flopping. Oh, no, that's my how to draw book. One of a couple. Another Forge book. I will find this at some point. That could be the reason why I haven't done anything, because I couldn't find the book. Oh! I found it! Stop looking. No falling! No falling! No falling! It fell. Oh well. I found my book! Entertainment for the masses. Hello? So everybody in Interland knows this is my Graphic Artist Guild Handbook, Pricing and Ethical Guidelines, 14th edition. They're in 15th edition, but oh, this is good enough. These things are retardedly expensive to get hold of too. And this is a used copy. This is fun. This has a highlighter. It's been highlighted. Yeah, and it's the business section. Artist, representative, broker, research, house accounts, exclusivity clauses, billing procedures, all kinds of stuff. Like, it is so worth buying one of these.
Don't get yourself messed up.
Yeah, pretty much. How to not get screwed over by clients. Like, the first chapter is about professional relationships, and the second one is about legal rights. Okay, so the chapter 3 is called Professional Issues. Sales tax, deductibility of artwork, employment issues. Technology issues. Like, this book has everything. It really does. Alright, so graphic design, prices, animation, surface, graphic artist guild, resources and references, and contracts. 145, corporate graphic design. I believe that's where the logo design is. Yes, Iona.
I can't find my hat or
Uh-oh.
my gloves.
I think your hat is hanging up. I'm not sure where.
No, not my.
Elsa hat?
No, not my Elsa hat. The pink hat that you made for me. Remember?
You know, I don't know where that is either. I might have to make another one. Now, hold on a minute.
Yeah.
I'm trying to talk to Uncle Josh. Say hi, Uncle Josh.
Hi, Uncle Josh.
He's driving. So tell him be careful.
Be careful. Keep your eyes on the prize.
Yeah. Left turn. Alright, go play. Okay. So, holy mother of fart nuggets. So, organizational identity design. That would be it. Logo design project. So, the range for a logo design project as listed in here, for a local client, which I could count because it's national, regional, or local, they're quoting about $1,800 minimum. But,
How much did?
I don't know. You want to negotiate?
Well, right now, behind me is 8 different
But yeah.
Hold on a second.
That's fine. You're driving, so...
Not migrate and, well,
Yeah, right.
I want to make something.
Parenting problems 101.
I want to make something. That's what I'm going to do.
Can you give me a few, please?
Fine.
I still have to paint my Easter figures.
I will help you with that.
You want to help me with that?
I'll just, if you are going up, but you draw up, I'm going to glue those spaces.
Maybe. We'll see. Okay. Stop.
And I'll draw the Easter baskets.
Josh? I think I got put on mute. Or I lost him.
Yeah, but I didn't want to yell in your ear.
I see. Okay. Just making sure. Wow. Well, with her, I don't think she has a chance to pause. She's usually because she's out of instant reaction to idiots. Stop. You have a tail in your way. Enough. Enough. Hold on. Enough. Enough. You're making a fool of yourself on, like, international internet. Iona, stop. Stop. Behave. Behave. You know, it's about dinner time, and we're gonna have to stop the stream in a bit anyway, so come on, get.
I want to arts and craft, arts and craft, arts and craft.
That's fine, don't climb up on my leg.
Can I please do arts and craft?
Okay, we don't have space to do arts and craft right now. You
What?
have to clean it up first.
You forgot to give this.
To Aunt Jody, I know. Put it back so I don't lose it.
It was in here, Mom.
Oh, ow, ow.
It was
Yes, I know. I left it there so I could see it. Anyway, hello.
So I have to call someone working on
Yeah. Oh, that's fine. I'd have to, we might have to talk to your mom about it, because I don't know if I would have to pay Massachusetts tax as well as Florida. I know I would have to pay Florida tax. Yeah. Right, but some states have this weird in-between where it's based on the point of sale. Okay. Okay, good. Yeah, it was something I ran into that some states were requiring it point of sale, like wherever the customer was, you had to pay tax. Or the customer had to pay tax. I don't know. Right. Right. Hey, you could write it off as a business expense. Good. Because that makes sense.
Mom, I glued one on paper.
Wait.
It
like
Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. Oh, that's really cool. Good point. Right. Right.
I got a better idea. Take your thing down. Oh,
Yeah, I'm here. The internet is doing alright. Although I need to... I'm streaming... Actually, it's kind of... Someone else in the stream said it was really meta, and it's funny that I'm streaming doing artwork and design for my stream. It is kind of meta. It's just funny. It is very meta. But yeah, so I was working on an overlay for my stream, which I just put up there. It looks actually really nice. I'm very impressed with myself. Where I have up in the right hand, the left hand corner, it's backwards to me. The left hand corner where it has like what I'm working on and what I'm using, whether I'm painting or, you know, whatever. And then down in the bottom is my not my Tumblr, my Instagram, my Twitter, and my Twitch account, which I probably should put my YouTube account on there because I'm streaming to Twitch too. Yep. Yes, I am using OBS. I had Streamlabs OBS, but for something happened, some update that they had or something doesn't work with the camera. And when I Googled it, a lot of people were having that problem. Some people had to run it as an administrator. So I downloaded OBS, and I had to run that as an administrator because I think it's the core program that has the problem. Yeah. But I like the newer version. This is true. Oh my god. This is like crazy old stuff. Okay. I'm actually looking for... piece of artwork I had. Because I want to make, in Streamlabs, they have the announcements and whatnot, like if I got a new subscriber or whatever, that pop up, and it has the zombie guy. Well, I want to replace that with something else. But in order to do that, I actually have to make it, so why not, you know? So, that's the next thing on, is to make, the different, little animations. He licked his finger and is drawn on the window. Well, my son trumps that one. He licked his whole palm and wiped it down the outside of the window. And I was like, why would you do that? Ew, that's really gross.
Yeah, well, when I got the car wash in our house,
Yeah. Oh, yeah, because the kids. Yeah, man. Very cool. Right. 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 You don't say. Hmm. Blah, blah, blah. March, April, May, June, July. Before the 1st of July? 3 weeks? 1, 2, 3. 10th. Not really, doesn't give me a lot of wiggle room. And I have a massive audit this week with my company. You know, if I was completely working from home, I'd be like, yeah, sure, I can handle it, no big deal. But I have, like, the 10 hours of my life that's eaten up by commuting, and then the regular 9 to 5. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Actually, a week after that, but also, like, getting the artwork a week after that, but also, we're not 3 weeks before the first is when we take
Makes sense, so you can rearrange and remove and resupply and...
so, there's actually another week there, like, week after the 15th.
Yeah.
Back to the same date I was talking about.
Right.
That
That would work. Yeah.
So, if you have any other things that you need to ask me about that, because there might be other questions, I don't know where you are, if you're still sketching.
Yeah, it's still in a rough sketch. I have to find the further work that I've done. I have a giant pile of stuff on my desk. But I'll look for that tonight. No, nag me! Nag me! You're a client, you're allowed to nag me. Right now, you're not my cousin right now, you're my client, so. Right.
I'm not gonna be a trick, but here I go.
No. It's understood.
I also don't want to, like I said, I'm not your parent. I'm treating you like you're my child.
Get right.
I want to stop.
You're about 3 seconds away from getting nagged. I can't find that.
For what? Keep coming in. So yeah, I'd be looking at later in July if we or early in August if we would be willing to do that on your own thing. I don't know your schedule, and I haven't had
Yeah, you would. Sweet. Word. Oh, the board would have to be primed with something because the paint would peel and chip.
Yeah, like that's I self-prime.
So,
I have a I make sure that the prime is but that means by the time you get it to do stuff, so
right. Okay. True. Sorry. Of course you are. A super big nerd. That's funny. Okay. Hi, Mom. Hello. How you doing? Oh. I got hung up on. Either that or I hung up on them. Oops. Hello. I thought something happened. I was like, either you did it or my chin did it. I'm not sure which. Oh. Right. Aw. Oops. Hi, how you doing? You sound it. Mm-hmm. Yeah, right. Oh, that's never comfortable. No. Yeah, I'd have issues even if you trusted said children, you can't trust more. Yeah, that could be. I know. Give me gallon. Donnie, wanna make Jello? Okay, I guess you don't wanna make Jello then. I wouldn't kill this. Wow. Land war, so it's actually third. How red that is. It doesn't even look like Jello. Well, don't please take it. Yes. It's, okay, back up. It's gonna get noisy. Okay. Yeah. Love you guys.
It's weird.
It's kind of weird. Alright, see you later. Bye. No. Start slow. 3. Try it, or Miss Hope, or Nana, or Auntie, or, well, considering Iona, since Iona's taking care of you, you can call me Grandma. What, stop.
Not it. Not grandma.
What?
I already have a grandma.
No, for them.
No.
Yeah.
Lan is the grandma. Oh.
I don't want to be called Grandma. It's almost time for me to be called Grandma anyway.
Lan, you be the grandma. Lan's the grandma.
Or you know what you do? You open it. You open it with one. Oh, no, move. Open the door and like.
I was like,
In there, there's only one. Here. There, give us the land. This is his. Got the land. Still hasn't drank that.
Lan, touch this.
Oh, throw it. Here's the computer.
Hey!
Don't.
No, hand it to him. He's right. Don't throw it near the computer. Plant it up. Get up there.
I almost threw it. And Lan did not get up.
We don't have any lettuce. Do you want to eat tacos?
I want chocolate.
Yeah, we don't have any tomatoes either. And just meat and cheese.
Yeah,
And sour cream.
I would.
Just sour cream.
You don't want cheese for meat?
Cheese, meat, sour cream.
Okay.
That's all. Mom, shop for tomatoes.
I don't have any money. I'm stuck. I have to wait till tomorrow to do shopping. Anyway, I'm back. Sorry about that, guys. So there's still 3 of you there. Hi. So this, I did this animation back when I was in college. The sucker's old. It's the only other bit of animation that I've done that survives today. And when my computer died, yeah, I don't even have the original paper. It just doesn't exist anymore. Please don't. Not here.
Here.
Head down. Swap. The body evens out. It tucks its head again before it raises it up. I never noticed the head bounce. Now I'm noticing the head bounce. I never noticed it before, but now I'm seeing the head bounce. Now I can't unsee the head bounce. Go figure. I need to print that out and re-ink it and print it. I'm gonna have to print that out on better cardstock so I can finish it. I can't find my little... It's gotta be in here somewhere. Pictures? Should be in pictures. I don't know if I have the original image anymore. That would really suck if I didn't have the original image anymore. Should be in pictures. There's in here. Oh, I don't think those,
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
I think they were pictures at one point, and now they're not. And I don't trust them, so they're gone. Yeah. Not playing games with that one. This is a whole bunch of images from my phone.
Well, you need to put your brown away. I opened it so you can put your brown away. Which one is your crafting scissors?
None of these are necessary.
Which one is your arts and craft scissors?
Stop.
Tell me which one is.
Please stop. For right now, just stop. For right now, please stop. Please. Just for right now. I'm looking for old artwork. This is stuff I did for other people. Patreon. See, those are the image, but not the original. Those are the ping files, but they're not the original PDS files. I think those are on my other computer. Enter here already. Oh, hey. Oh, hey.
Can you swap Can you sharpen this pencil?
Ah, that's the correct one. And I have to fix it.
Where's the sharpener? Oh, where's the sharpener? Oh, we can't find the sharpener.
You're not paying attention to me.
Mom, where's the sharpener?
Move. Let me see if I can find it. Back up. You're right behind me, and I don't want to roll over your little toes. I'd feel very, very bad about that. Hey, my sharpener's actually gone. Isn't that just something?
Where's your other one?
This is for... Man, I have so many pencil... That's not it. That's the lid cap. I thought that was a pencil sharpener. Here. This is actually for my color pencils. Give it back.
Okay.
Okay? You just put the pencil down. Where'd you put it?
There it is.
Oh, okay. So there's that one. Alright, well, I have to go to dinner and make dinner. So I will probably pop back on and stream some more later tonight. So, but first, dinner. Thanks for joining me, everybody. I really do appreciate it.
Bye!
You guys are awesome. To my stream end. But yeah, keep an eye out for me. I'll probably be streaming later on. But for right now, I have to make dinner, clean off a table, so anyone can do some painting. And I don't have the setup out there to do that, to stream that, because that would be cute. But I will come back.
Bye-bye!
Don't forget to like
And subscribe. And make sure you
over here.
Come
It's
to-
that light.
make sure you subscribe to Mom and Lance and Mom and me
To our
to our
channel.
channel. Make sure you give us a million thumbs up because we're about to get that.
And
Right?
say, don't forget to leave a comment.
And don't forget to leave a comment.
Come on. I love you, sweetheart. Love you.
Love you too.
Goofball.
You're a goofball.
Yes, I am. My hand hurts.
Hold on.